Morning, guys. I'm doing a microwave test today, and what do you call it? The microwave I set for 3 minutes. Let me just get it over here. I set it actually for 3 minutes, and the amount of amperage it's taking is 146. I believe that's 146 and 1500 watts. Okay. So that's going to go for 3 minutes. And I know it's not too clear, but my battery started out at 90 and now it's down to 85%. So it's just a couple more seconds and let's see what happens. Okay, now 9, 8. Okay. It's just about there. Okay, let's see part 2 video here. Let's see how it came out. Whoa! Holy Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, guys. It is steaming hot. Steaming hot.